Oh, you missed it.
Oh!
I think I got it.
Did you?
That was. Well,
I might have barely
it
gotten it.
It wasn't anything that he did, but when he yawned and I had my finger on it, it went kerplunk.
Really?
Wow.
That was huge.
I think I caught it. Just caught
so
it.
that's the reason. So that was his left side that I was telling you was so bad, right?
Yeah.
And so if his left side's really bad, it's gonna force him to go to the right.
Yeah.
Which makes a lot of sense. So now, oh hello.
It's pretty relaxing, huh, buddy?
So now we're gonna see how that does as far as he's still gonna favor it a little bit because that's what his neurology has been taught right now.
Yeah.
But it shouldn't be fussy or cranky.
Okay.
And you can see like
Wow. Yeah.
He
That's
can
the most
turn
I've
a lot
seen.
it's
more,
awesome.
yeah.
That was huge. That was like the biggest baby.
Well, I
Atlas
heard. I
Adjust-
thought it was his mouth, like
I
smacking.
know.
But wow.
I heard it over here.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It like
Wow.
shook my hand.
Look, I've never seen him
That's
turn his head like that.
awesome.
Did I miss it?
He did.
Oh,
That
It's
everybody
okay.
did.
I think I got it on video. We'll see.
Look how relaxed he is, though.
he's feeling good.
Yeah. I will say last night he was able to keep his head straight up more. It didn't tip over as much as it had been, so I think that first adjustment probably
Yeah.
really helped him.
Look at him. Living
Oh,
life.
that feels good, huh, buddy?
I really like his zippy. I want that.
Yeah.
That's
I
a
like
cool
the color.
I was gonna say that's a cool color. Mine might clash with my other green pants.
He's
but
a cool chameleon.
He is.
Almost getting a smile out of
He's
him,
just
too.
like,
Oh,
I know,
man.
that's great.
I'm leaving it at that.
Yeah.
That was huge.
That was
perfect.
awesome,
That was what
yeah.
Perfect. Is there anything we need to do to make sure he's not
You
like...
just so what you can do is
Oh,
like when he's in
yeah,
his
bud.
car seat. That's
Uh-huh.
pretty good. It looks like. But if he's really going this way, you take a towel, roll it up.
Just kind of
Yeah.
keep him from pushing that
You
way.
can do
We'll
the
use
same
his
thing when
whip
he's
flop.
laying down. But the other thing is if you just see him going right, you just make him go left
Left,
and
okay.
hold it there. And he's gonna be pissed at you.
Yeah.
He's not gonna like you. He'll cry if this comes back.
Yeah.
You know?
Right.
He's gonna feel it. But other than that, yeah, it's just all done, buddy.
Oh my goodness.
That's it,
He's a
man.
happy boy.
Good job, William, buddy.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Almost.